Are you aware that Snapchat, it might not be the highest social media platform, but we have over 343 million users all over the world. So tell me, advertising your business on Snapchat is number one. Number one, you have low competitive and you get the right lead. And we also have 80% of women on Snapchat. So if you're a business person, what are you waiting for? Please watch this video to the end and you see the magic Snapchat has to give you. Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. It's another time with Tech with Bumi, and in today's video I'll be telling us about Snapchat. Oh my god, do you know that a lot of us believe that Snapchat is only for dating, snapping? When you use Snapchat, when you send a snap to somebody, if people see it, you can either post on the story or snap to your friends and they see it for few seconds or few minutes and it goes away. But little do you know that as a business person, you can create an ad. You can build your brand using Snapchat. I remember the first time I tried Snapchat, right? I made sales. That was during Black Friday. That was last year during Black Friday, because a lot of us are familiar with Facebook ad, Instagram ad, LinkedIn, YouTube ad, Google ads, and so on. But let me know in the comment section, have you heard about Snapchat for business? What did I say? Snapchat for business. So I'll be putting us through on how to step by step on how to create this ad to make your business stand out, and you come back to my channel and thank me for it later. So is this what you want to watch? Then stay tuned while we dive in onto my laptop. So tech lovers, before you be able to divert or to go into the Snapchat for business, you must create an account with Snapchat. So if you don't have a Snapchat account, try to create the general account, okay? The normal Snapchat account. So now I'm going to log in to my Snapchat account. Okay, so it says confirm in Snapchat. So now this is it, manage my account. So I will just go straight to add manager. Okay, this is manage for web, my snap code. To be frank, I'm not a Snapchat person. I only come to Snapchat to create my ad and I go. And this on demand gold filter, this is a very good one. This on demand gold filter, I will do a video. Let me know if you want to know more about it. I will do a video on it. So it also helps also very fast in the business of Snapchat for business. It's very good. Okay, so we don't want to delete accounts, we don't want to manage devices. So now we'll just go to ad manager. So this is manage ad. So you create ad, you manage your ad, events. If you are familiar with Facebook ad, okay, then this is so easy for you. This is the easiest. Okay, if you are familiar with Facebook ad, audiences, pixel, creative library, you create video, create AI lens, create filter, then analyze, audience insight report, campaign lab. Then for business details, account details, members, billing and payment, then publish, public profile, creators marketplace. So now we just want to create an ad. you click on create ad. So when you click on, we have instant create and we have advanced create. I would like to go for advanced create because I want my ad to go to more people. Okay, but for this single ads, I don't really like using single ads. Okay, so create a single ad in less than 5 minutes. Add creative, define your audience and publish. Take full control because I like to take full control of my ads, right? I want to see what is happening. Create multiple ad set with multiple ads for your campaign. So I'm going to create this. Okay, so now it says we should build your campaign, select objective, awareness, promotion. On a normal day, if you're not familiar to a particular platform, it's always good to create awareness on your website. Okay, you create awareness so that people will get to know you. Okay, so the sales funnel of this lead generation is awareness, consideration. When people are aware of your business, then they can now say, oh, they want to consider buying. So they click on your traffic. I mean, they click on your website or on the link you provide, and they convert. If they like what they want, they convert and buy it. Okay, and that is where comes the conversion comes in. So we have awareness, we have consideration, and we have conversion. Okay, for the purpose of these tutorials, I'm just going to click on awareness, right? Traffic, drive traffic to website conversion. I actually want a website conversion. Okay, I want a website conversion because of I have some Black Fridays. If you don't know, I'm affiliate with Amazon, so I want to promote my products on Snapchat using for the Black Friday season. Okay, so I'm sure you'll be seeing this video in December, but I'm going this ad is for Black Friday. Okay, so I'm going to create new AdSense. So I'll put my name, AdSense name, Canada. I want all gender. Okay, I want all gender because I'm selling this massage gun. Okay, and I already have Snapchat pixel attached to this. The good thing is that even if you don't set up your account rightly, they have a perfect and good customer service. They will get in touch with you. They will call you and tell you that there's a mistake you did on your, like the customer service behind the scene, that you had to correct something. They will put your attention to it. But just follow this procedure. I bet you will not make any mistake. So normally they used to say that, okay, if you have $5, you can actually run your ad. Okay, but the competition is too much. So $5 is small because you want to reach more audience, right? And I'm going to reduce this. I don't have $50. I don't want to put my daily budget on $50. So I'm going to add the least you can do is $15, $20. So I'm going to put $15. Okay, so as you can see, daily target is 6.8 million to 9.2 million. Okay, and the date I want to set it up is, I can set it up for Thursday. Okay, I'll set it up for Thursday 8 a.m. No, I'll put 10, I'll put 11 o'clock. I'll put 11 o'clock a.m. Okay, I can change it later on. Okay, just for the tutorials, for the purpose of these tutorials. Then we have automatic placement or edit placement. I'm going to use automatic placement. Okay, and you can add countries you want also here. If you want North America. Okay, I chose Canada. So you click on the country you want, select a country. Okay, I selected Canada. I want to. So if you want North America, like US and Canada, you just click on North America. But for now, let's stick to Canada people. Okay. So So now another thing you don't know about Snapchat is you cannot find 18 years old on this marketplace on Snapchat, okay, from 18 years old. So you people that are on Snapchat are 35 years and above. And you know what that means? They have money and definitely they will buy your product. 35 years and above, unlike maybe Facebook and other social medias that you can click $18, and the competition is too much, okay, because they have large audience. And I will want you to try Snapchat for your business to create your ads to see the difference, because if you use a low competitive place, you get more results than where you get when you go to a larger. So now, yeah, you put either male or female, okay, and you click on your language. So custom, we can create our audience, no audience available, okay. We can create our audience, website event, ads, ad engagement. We can do a lookalike audience, okay. We can create a lookalike audience. I'll come back and do this, okay. And predefined audience, like lifestyle people. You know that people with lifestyle, they buy things a lot, okay. So this is where you click on those people that you want them to buy your product. I'm selling machine guns, so I'm looking for people with, let's see, maybe we have fitness. I'll choose fitness, all fitness. um I'm going to choose I'll be back, okay. I don't want this video to be too. This is where you look for all these rich people that you feel that they will buy from you, right? So shopping, people that like shopping, right? You can click on all people that like shopping. um then you can add um shopping, you can add exercise or gamers. I think we're good. The ones we chose is okay. Then we can create custom audience too. You can look for custom audience, advanced setting. You expand on audience English, sorry, automatically. Snap expand the audience too. So I want them to expand. Then what devices do you want them to show your product on? It's good to show your product on all devices, Android, iOS. Then what type of laptop, internet connection type, Wi-Fi, and cell phone. Okay, so carrier, I'm not going to choose anything here. Then my status active, right? So auto bid, recommended, target audience, max bid. I think auto bid is okay. And I will go to next. So this place, you are going to insert your video. I think I have a video already that I want to use. Okay, it's very straight to the, it's very straightforward. It's a very straightforward ad. So you can choose which of the videos you want, okay. And is it that you want single image or videos or story ad, collections ad? But I want this single image video. I'll put the name of my ad here. I'll put massage gun, okay. Massage gun stroke foot foot and foot and massage. Foot and hand massage. So basically, I'm almost done. Then you put a profile, your name, your brand, and we want to upload. Let me quickly up. So I uploaded my stuff, and this is the video. Can you? So this is our hat. Okay. So I'm going to pause it now. So this is, oh god, sorry about that. Let me pause it. So this is our ad, and I'm going to add my brand name, right? I can put um I'll put um Tech with Bumi. I'm going to change it later just for the purpose of this video. Tech with Bumi, right? And I will put my call to action. Okay, so what do you want to put? Get now, order now. So I want order now. Okay, and I'll put my URL here. My URL, I'll put it here. So after I'm done with all this, right, I will just click on review and publish. Okay, so simple. So are you going to try I this? Hope you enjoyed these tutorials on Snapchat. Question of the day: are you going to start using Snapchat for business to create this ad? Are you going to try these tutorials I gave you today? Comment yes, Snapchat in the comment section, and please come back and drop your testimony on your business, okay? Because I love businesses to grow, and that is my job. If you don't know me, I'm a certified digital marketing consultant. So if you need any of my services, or you need me to do it for you, or you need any of my services, my websites will be in the description. And don't forget to also join my community on Telegram, so that you can get daily tips of my videos and daily trainings that I'll be giving, which is going to be free. So see you in my next video. And please, have you liked this video? Share it out. Someone might need this video, you know that. And subscribe if you're new, and also leave a lovely comment. Don't forget to watch others of my videos, especially if you want to be a publisher in 2023. Go through my playlist and enjoy my videos. Share it out, and bye for now.